We are pleased to show you the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.